Hello guys and welcome to today's psychological video. Sorry I did not do this video on Sunday. I usually do it on Sundays, but yesterday in the evening I had a lot of shit to do. I was very busy. I couldn't have any time. So before we go into this video, is super great video is about how confidence after like overconfidence take you out after a win, leading you to a losing streak. That's what this today's video is about. So before we head on to the video, please bro, smash up that subscribe button. I really appreciate every single one of you guys who clicked on that subscribe button. And with that being said, let's get started on today's video. So today we're talking about a really sneaky trap that a lot of traders, even experienced one, fall into it. So and that is overconfidence after a win. So you take, let's say you start your day with identifying your daily buys for the day, and you had a clear buys, you had a clear setup forming, you entered into a trade, the trade hits your TP immediately, and then you get confidence, and let's say you won another trade and you got overconfidence. And now you're like, yo, I'm just gonna enter any trade randomly. I don't care about that much, that specific. I need for it to retrace into the fair value gap. I need to retrace it back into the configuration confluences. I need to sweep 4-hour liquidity sweep specifically. I want to see that thing specifically. That. Now you skip all of that. You see, oh, this is a potential setup. This is a sweep of liquidity, a break of structure, and you enter a trade. And then you lose. Then you say, damn, yeah, it is what it is. Then you lose again. Then you lose again. Then you lose again. You think that you are the best trader in the world. It's right. Confidence is good in trading, but overconfidence, that means I need to enter any single trade and I'm going to win regardless. That's the wrong thing to think about. First, let's break why does this happen. So when you win a trade, especially a big one, your brain releases dopamine. It feels good, it feels like a rush, but there is a problem. Your brain start associating that feeling with wanting more of it. You want more now. You want more to win that fast win. So instead of sticking to your plan exactly as you always do, you start hunting trades just to get the next win. You just taking random ass trades. You started not following your plan, and that literally what happened to me in the last losing streak that I had. Discipline fades in. You skip confirmation. You skip more. You risk more. You stop journaling. This is the common one. You stop journaling. You stop backtesting, even though in the last week when you were in a losing week, I don't know what is about your situation. You are backtesting, you are putting in work, you are journaling every single trade, you are doing all of that work. But then as soon as you start winning, you stop backtesting, you stop journaling, you start taking mid-ass setups, you start not caring much about the confirmation, and that is what's going to lead you into the fucking losing streaks. That is going to destroy your mental health and your psychology into trading. So the next thing, how to recognize the warning signs. So how to catch this before it happens. Let's say you're feeling invincible after a win. You start increasing your risk per trade. You ignore your trading journal or skip pre-trade checklist. You catch yourself thinking the market can't fool me today. You started thinking that you are the boss of the market, that you can rule the market. Nobody. Stay fucking humble. The market will humble you at any time soon. That's literally a fucking rule. Put it in your mind. Never think that you can master the markets. You only can master your trading, yourself, your rules, because you make the decision of entering the market, of buying or selling, or not entering the market, because the market is going to move anyways. It doesn't care about you. It does not care about your literal trade. It doesn't care the market is going to go, it doesn't care and doesn't give a single solitary fuck. It's you, it's on you, it's you versus you. It's not even you versus the market, because you can't go one versus the market, because 90% of the time you will be wrong and the market will win. Okay, so it's you versus you. It's your mental health or your psychology against your trading skills, against your analysis, against your knowledge of trading, against your knowledge of the charts, against your backtesting knowledge when you think the market is going to go up and what the market is going to go down. And with that, aligned with the risk management, aligned with the psychology, that's when you're gonna be a successful trader. But when you think you're gonna be mastering the markets, stay fucking humble, bro, because it's not going to happen. So with that, let's say you started a losing streak when that happened, and you're now already like in the third trade losing streak. You gotta fix this thing before it's going to continue like it did with me. I went into a 9 trades losing streak, and it's all documented in my YouTube. You can go over that later. I had a 9 trades losing streak. Every single trade I enter, boom, stop loss. Every single trade I enter, boom, stop loss. And guess what? Just before that losing streak, I was in a winning streak. I got too confident about myself. I got too confident. Well, I figured it out now. I am profitable. I will enter any trade and I will hit 1 to 3 years to reward. Bro, that did not last longer. I had only like 4 trades winning, and then overconfidence kicks in, and I started not journaling anymore, started not backtesting anymore, starting taking random ass setups, starting taking trades against the trend, which is my biggest rule now. Started taking trades without waiting for retracement to the fair value gap or continuation confluences, starting taking trades and started chasing any trade that I see in the market. No, not the best trade to take ever, and I started taking that once and twice, and like I did it almost all of the time, and I always say, why did I enter this in the first place after I lose it? Why did I enter this US trade? I did not wait for my model, I did not wait for my rules, I rushed into the trade. And that is what you need to put in mind, because in a losing streak it's going to destroy your psychology if you are not strong enough. So after every big win, take a short break, even 15 minutes away from the screen, or even, let's say, when you win a good trade whatsoever, don't trade. Or if you are built if that's your rules or your plan to take more than 1 trade in a day, just don't fucking over risk. Even if you are confident about the second trade, don't over risk at all. Keep on going with your normal risk management, or even less, because there's a lot higher chance that you're going to lose the second trade. So why would you even give profits back to the market? You already earned some money, alright? You got the trade, you got the A+ setup, why would you enter again? What if you lose the trade? You're gonna give your profit back to the market? No, bro. Leave the charts, go journal your trade, journal it into Notion or your notebook or anything, and then start looking at the market. Do not think about entering a trade, just look at the market, try to analyze it, put on your key levels for the next day, and walk off, buddy. Do not think about entering another trade. Next thing is stick to your lot size or risk management plan, no matter what, because this is what's going to save you in a losing streak when you are trading in a funded account, because risk management is so fucking important. is so fucking important, bro. You can never blow your account when you are sticking to a strict risk management plan. I literally, after 9 trades losing streak, I still have my funded account. After a 9 trades losing streak, I'm just risking 1% per every trade. And I when reach 8 trades losing, I dropped my risk to 0.5%. I still have my account. I did not blow it because risk management teach you how to protect your capital. That's what you actually need in trading. You need to actually protect your capital from it getting robbed by the market. Like, the market is going to take your money eventually, bro. If you are not careful enough, it's going to take your money and never give it back to you. If you're not patient, if you're not knowing what the fuck are you doing. So next thing, set a max trades per day or a session. That's what I actually told you, because you need to only trade something that is in your trading plan. In my trading plan, I only trade 1 session and 1 trade, and only 1 trade per session, no more. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but I really suggest taking only 1 trade per day. If you are a day trader, if you're a scalp trader, I don't know, because I'm not scalper, by the way. Yeah, that's it. Keep on doing, or keep on protecting your capital, risking always what you need to risk, and only enter high quality trades, and never skip or fail your rules, because it's going to destroy you eventually. Next thing is keep journaling, especially you're feeling about the big wins and the big losses as well, because journaling, you can never know your performance and the trades that you took are good or bad trades without journaling. Because journaling is literally you typing out every single thing that you thought and every single thing that you saw in a trade, in a potential trade, and during the trade and after the trade, with screenshots, I can show you. I don't know. I left my note there. So when you go to journal your trade, you start on with, so coming into the day, I had my key levels, those Asian session highs, those Asian session lows. I want price to retrace back into that kind of fucking zone that you wanted to do. And then after the session open, I saw price comes up, took out the Asian session highs. Then it did the break of structure to the downside, then retraced back into the 15-minute continuation conflicts that I need, and then a 5-minute break of structure and a 1-minute break of structure, and then I entered the trade. I set my stop loss at that point, I set my TP at that exact point, and I walked off the charts. How I felt about the trade, I was not greedy. I was only looking at the chart from a good perspective. I was thinking this is a good A+ setup. I did not rush. I waited for my setup. You type in all of that thing. You type in every single thing that you went through, or that you went through the trade. Every single fucking thing. Okay? And then always remind yourself, this is not about a single win. It's about a long-term consistency. Do not take a win and you think
9 o'clock.
like it's all over now. You fucking figured this shit out. No, bro. You're gonna be having a winning days. You're gonna be having a losing days. That's why, with the good risk management and the good trading performance, you can be profitable consistently. Because consistency is all about trading. All. You don't need anything else. You don't need a big win. You don't need, I don't know, fucking 1 to 10 risk to reward. No, it's not like that. That's not trading. You need only 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, and you're gonna be consistent with it. You lose a trade, that's normal. You won 2 trades, now you're in profit of, you already recovered your loss and even more profit now. So yeah, that's it. Listen, guys, winning is great, but trading in marathon, not a sprint. One win doesn't make you good, just like the loss doesn't make you the bad trader. The traders who stay consistent month after month are the ones who master their emotion, especially after wins. So don't let a good day destroy your week or your potential or anything. Just stay sharp, stay disciplined, and remember the market always reward the patient and the controlled one. And listen, guys, listen. This is from a true story. Patience pays. Put this thing in your mind. Just type it in a quick note and put it in front of your face when you always trade, because you always need to be patient. You don't have to rush. You don't have to fucking chase nothing. You're chasing your dreams, that's true, but you need to keep it calm. You need to keep being patient and doing the wise decisions. Because if you're not patient, you're doing a fucking emotional fucking decisions, and it's not gonna be good decisions at all whatsoever. So listen to that, bro. Trust the process, keep being patient, and it's going to pay off. Like literally, I'm telling you, bro, I trust in you and I trust in myself, and I'm telling you and I'm telling myself as well. So alright guys, that's it for today's video, man. I hope you guys benefit from this video. I hope you guys walk out from this video having some benefit from it. And if you got benefit from this video, make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to me. That will help me a lot into this journey. And yeah, that's it for today's video, man. I really appreciate you guys for tuning into this video. And yeah, that's it. Stay safe, boys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out, boys.